Hey guys, well, it's been a week since we've been up to the motorhome, and when I last talked to Greg, the last time we were up there, the last video you saw on it, he's like, hey man, just come back next week and we'll probably have the thing ready in primer, to get ready basically to start getting it wet sanded down for striping and putting paint back on it. So we're going to run up to Nacogdoches today, back up to Extreme Paint and Graphics, and we're going to check on the motorhome and see how it's coming along. Welcome back to a long way to go, all you great ones out there. We appreciate you coming along for the ride today. Oh, look at this beautiful Integra right here. Man, that is a nice coach right there, isn't it? But we have about an hour and a half ride from our house up to Extreme Paint and Graphics up there in Nacogdoches, Texas. So I thought I'd take a few minutes here just to talk about some things that are coming, where we're at, again, trying to keep you guys more up to date because of how the timeline gets construed. So our regular Thursday evening 6 o'clock Central videos are still coming out regularly. That is of our summer Gulf Coast trip that we just completed. And in the meantime, we have the motorhome in the repair shop getting fixed from the damages that we sustained back in April of this year. Today is September the 16th, I believe. Anyways, I had a viewer reach out to us asking about the solar panel install video on the Country Coach, and I'm gonna have to apologize to you guys. Really, I have absolutely failed in getting that video edited and out, but I will soon start getting to work on that, I promise, and we will get that out sometimes after our summer series ends. So be on the lookout for that. And to the subscriber that asked about that, thank you for asking me about that, by the way, but I'm sorry, man, I have failed on getting that out, but I will get it out. Some things that are coming up for us in the future. We are dead set scheduled October the 19th through the 23rd is the Okie Jeep Jam in Muskogee, Oklahoma. Be on the lookout for some videos coming for that. But hey, all you Jeepers out there, calling all you guys, I know you're scattered out all over the country. Okie Jeep Jam 2022, Muskogee, Oklahoma, October the 19th through the 23rd. Come out, it's a blast of a show. We have a great time. RockSolidRig, we are sponsoring all of the off-site trail rides out at Gruber ORV. If you've never been out to Gruber, you really should go check that out. It's a really cool park. They have some amazing trails. But be on the lookout for that, all you Jeepers, October 19th through the 23rd, Muskogee, Oklahoma. Some other things that are coming. We have the week of Thanksgiving off, as well as probably 2 weeks around Christmas, New Year's. No dead set plans just yet on what we're going to be doing for those. Kind of up and open about all that stuff. So if you got any suggestions, throw them out there in the comments. You know us, we're always looking for someplace exciting and new to go for sure. Of course, all that depends on whether or not we have the motorhome back by then. Now, work progress is coming along great on the motorhome. I am super stoked and shocked just how fast that is going. But again, once we get into the actual awning side of it, with all the supply chain issues and stuff, I don't really know how long it's going to take us to get the actual awning in and get that installed. But, if we can get all the paint work done, and even if we have to wait on the awning, we can still hit the road and make a trip or two if we so desire. So that's just some things that are coming down the pipeline. Again, I've been working on trying to get some video edited and out, guys. It's a ton of work. Please forgive me. It takes a lot to go through all that footage. One other reminder is, again, 500 subscribers coming very soon, and we totally intend on giving back to you guys. there will be some prizes given away. So be on the lookout for those videos. And when you see that little number down there hit 500, that video will be coming right behind that on how to get entered into those contests. But to be entered into that contest, well, you're going to need to be subscribed. So if you haven't, it is totally up to you. Hit that little button down there and get subscribed. But hey, if you don't want some free stuff, then hey, just continue to watch, and we always appreciate you watching anyways, even if you're not. But it really would be cool if you were. Each and every one of you that is subscribed, thank you so much. Your dedication to us has been absolutely amazing, and you guys rock. So that's just some things coming down the pipeline. So anyway, let's just get on up here to Extreme up here in Nacogdoches, and we will check on the status of the motorhome. And welcome back. All right, guys, we're back here. We're going to check out the coach again, and I'll tell you, man, you're going to be blown away by how I'm telling you, these guys do such crazy work. It is phenomenal. You won't even recognize our coach anymore. So here it is. Look, they did such an amazing job. It looks like a Prevost now. Yeah, we wish. But we're back in the original bay we started out in. The last video, if you remember, we were up here in the front shop. They have now moved it in here to its own little private bay. This is the paint booth that it's going to be in. And I'm telling you, the video you guys saw was just merely 5 days ago, and look at it today. All of the sidewall repairs are completely done. All the glass, the gel coat has all been completely blended in. It has been filled, primed, sanded. Same thing up here in the front. All ready to go. So you notice right now what they're doing is they're taping it up. They're going to start laying the graphics back on it. That is amazing. I mean, God, they work so fast. I can't believe it's already in this stage. Anyway, Greg just out here talking to me about it, said they are going to be putting paint on it today, and it will be done probably next week. He said going into next week, all the colors and stuff will be on it. They'll have some clear on it. So going into next week, they will start, getting it wet sanded down and buffed, making sure that everything matches and blends in correctly, so you'll never even know that it was ever fixed. But my God, it is amazing. Man, does it look good. It is so sweet looking now. But anyway, they got it all taped up around here. The whole entire rest of the coach is completely covered up now. We'll walk around, I'll show you that. Whole entire coach is covered. That way they get no overspray on anything whenever they start spraying all these different colors and such forth in here. But Greg said it turned out absolutely fantastic. He's really happy with how the how the sidewalls turned out as far as structure and everything like that. He said there's not going to be any problems. He's very, very happy with how it came out. We, if you remember, right in this area right here is where your entry door grab handle is, and ours has the Country Coach logo. And I'm going to reach out to you guys here for a little help. Maybe you know, I reached out to Premier to try to get a replacement one as our acrylic is cracking and the light doesn't work anymore, and it says Country Coach on it. And Premier says that they are no longer allowed to sell those because of intellectual property rights due to Winnebago buying Country Coach. So I reached out to Winnebago and basically got told, well, we don't sell parts for your coaches anymore, so you're screwed. Even though we own them, we're not going to give away the rights to allow reproduction pieces. So maybe somebody knows where we can get a reproduction entry door grab handle that says Country Coach on it. That would be awesome. So all you viewers out there, if you can help out with that, we would greatly be appreciative of that. Looking fantastic. All of the guys here at Extreme are amazing artists. They do amazing work, and we are so happy with how it is turning out. And again, Whole entire thing covered over, no worries. And there is one of the guru wizards right there. Man, I'm telling you, amazing work. Anyways, we're gonna get out of these guys' hair. We just wanted to show y'all some more pictures of how it's coming along. There is no more wood showing. It is all gel coated, primered, done, ready to rock and roll, and I'm gonna give it over to the master. So that's it for today. We're going to get out of their hair, let them do their work. You know, I don't want to sit here and be a backseat painter because I don't know absolutely anything about it. But I'm just going to get done drooling one more time over the Marathon Prevost sitting here. And that's it till next time, guys. We will come back next week and give y'all another look at how the Country Coach is coming along. Until then, again, extremely huge thanks here to Extreme Paint and Graphics, Nacogdoches, Texas. I'm telling you, I know I say it over and over and over, but my God, at the work they do, it's absolutely amazing. So that's it for now, guys. We will see y'all very soon. Stay tuned for an important public service announcement. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, guys, but that is 80 miles an hour. And look at this idiot. This dude is literally all over the highway with this travel trailer. A minute ago, I swear to God, I thought he was going to lose it. Don't be this idiot.